how to invest and earn in Netflix. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can invest and earn through Netflix. Well, the process is simple and easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy just through the basics. Now, in order to invest in Netflix, first what you want to do is you want to head into this website on your browser, tradingview.com. Simply head it here. Now once here, you want to head into the overview page, right? So you can tap on the hamburger icon at the top left there, and here you can see the option markets. You can tap on markets, and from here you want to select stocks. Now from here you can tap on all stocks and you can view the all stocks option. Once you're here on this page, at the search bar at the top, you can search in for Netflix. So once you type in Netflix, you'll be able to see netflix.inc stock at the right. You can tap on it and you can open it up. You can either launch the chart or you can see the overview. I'll just launch the chart right here. Now once you open up on this page, now what you'll have to understand is this website, the TradingView, gives you the option to look at all the stocks and the information, but it doesn't give you any direct option to buy or sell. However, you can see buy and sell option. You can simply tap on buy option there, and now you can connect through the trusted brokers here. Any one of them you can connect, create account, sign up and connect, and then you'll be able to buy and sell. Now however, this is how you can buy and sell stock. Gaining profit through it is completely in your hands. You'll have to be clever about when to buy and sell the stocks. So hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.